Panapon kayo po dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. 2 games down na po tayo. Meron pa tayong 4 na laro pang natitira dito sa ating Delta Cup. Ako po ang lingkod, Ryan, para doing the call para sa ating Delta Cup 2023. Ang ating match at hand, it's gonna be MINALIN All-Star versus MALUGOD CANDABA. MALUGOD CANDABA in red jerseys and MINALIN in white jersey. First quarter na po tayo. Para sa ating update sa ating mga kababayan, the first game, nanalo po ang Santa Ana versus Masantol, 76-69. At kanina lang, it's a nail-biter. Mexico upsetting Apalit, 85-81. So nakikita natin sa starter sa Candaba ay siya number 11 Guevara. Guevara now. The drop pass intercepted. Pero nagawan muli. Inside incursion. Wala. Guevara. Down on the floor after that rebound. Atakbo na kayo ng MINALIN. And here's a shot block. Pero may foul. Yan ay si Vinuya, number 3. At titira ng free throws ay si Pamulagan. Okay, there's no foul. It's just a shot clock. Submit. Brings down the basketball for MINALIN. Pamulagan. Corner shot. Ayaw. Nakuha ng Candaba. Medyo malalaki itong mga Candaba pero mabibilis din. Vinuya. On the right wing. Here's a 3-point shot. Malakas. And here's MINALIN on the counter fast break. Submit, drives hard, the scoop shot works. Oh! How about that? That's a highlight early in the first quarter. Eight and a half remaining sa ating first quarter. Guevara sinks it from 21. Two all is that count. 8:19 left in the first quarter. There's a dribble penetration. Nabitawan ni Pamulagan. Vinuya. Baseline jumper. Wala para sa Candaba. Where's Candaba? Yan yung Candaba swaps. Yung dinadaanan natin sa NLEX. That's how fast. Oh, look at that crossover by Sabin. Nice drop pass, but it was rejected. That would have brought the house down if he made that one. And on the other end, Vinuya sinks it via home run. Dunglao. May tangan ng bola for the white shirts ng MINALIN. Dunglao spots. Yes. For all. 7.5 remaining in the first quarter. 2.5 minutes gone by. The lob pass. Nagawa ng MINALIN. Fast break opportunity. Sidestep! Not beauty. No beauty there for Submit. Vinuya. Touch it last. Good hustle there by Submit. Sabi ni Submit, saglit lang. Amin yung bola. 10 to shoot for the white shirts. Pamulagan from the left corner. Fires a 3. A failure. Nakuha pa rin ng MINALIN ng bola. Outside to Submit. Submit has the skills, huh? 5 to shoot. Submit extricates, spins, turns, drops it up to the walk party. Pamulagan wallop that player from Candaba, and here's sabi ni De La Peña, bola daw yun, pero referee says, huli ka. Referee Chong Banay Jr. And De La Peña was called for a foul. Take a look at this in instant replay. How magnificent this block. Pero may contact downstairs. Clean upstairs, but there's contact downstairs. Alright, the Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament, the Delta Cup 2023 is presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the provincial government of Pampanga. You can watch it live on our Facebook pages, Pampanga Public Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia. 2 free throws made. (6-4). MINALIN with a 2-point edge. 6:25 remaining the first quarter. Counter fast break. Bothered there. Candaba gets right back the possession. 6:13 left in the first quarter. Vinuya, may tanga na bola. He brings it downtown. Vinuya, starter step. The alley-oop play did not materialize. Good call by Jong Manayat. Ball remains in Candaba. Vinuya fadeaway. Short. Takbo na ngayon ng MINALIN. Submit. Pump fakes. Rejected. Up in the air. And a high stick it away. Vinuya with the beeline to the basket. Tabla tayo muli at 6. 5:38 remaining the first quarter. 6 apiece. 3-point shot from the left corner court. Malakas. Nice save there by Candaba. Guevara's pass was kind of lousy. Medyo he lost his balance and lost his shoe. Pero buti nila yung kanyang teammate na ipasok ang layup. And that's a rare, huh? After the rebound, nabitawan yung sapatos na tumilamsik yung sapatos. 8-6 now. Candaba with a 2-point edge. Breathtaking layup. No soak that time for Dong Lao. Kailangan pa rin niya isintas. 4 against 5 now. 3-point shot won't work. Rebound control, ball MINALIN. Oh, yan. Sabi ni Guevara, okay na yung sapatos ko. Okay na ako. 4:43 remaining in the first quarter of action. Submit. Spread out offense from MINALIN. Looking for a much better serving. Pamulagan 3. Rims out. Vinuya will bring down the ladder slowly for Candaba. They have a 2-point edge. Medyo slow down ngayon ang Candaba. Ito, 3-point shot. Titira siya. Wala. Then Pamulagan. Higher the rebound. It's going to be a foul on De La Peña. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Off that miss. Kita mo naman yung rebound. Kaya lang yung huling tira yung tungkab yan. Okay.
Another shot, number 29.
Libio checks in. 2 team fouls already para sa Candaba. Three-point shot from top of the key. Malakas. Ibay couldn't get the rebound. Pamulagan steals it. Forces his way. Draws a foul from Sadi.
18, pushing foul on number 18. Personal foul, sir, team foul.
So, take a look at this replay of that heist.
Pamulagan steals it.
O yun, pinwersa niya, ginilit. Ayun, foul si Sadi, that's his first personal. 3 team fouls already for Candaba. Wala pa pong foul ang MINALIN, and Pamulagan 6 the first from the free throw line. So nangangalahati na po tayo sa ating 6-game affair. And Pamulagan sinks both. Tablan tayo sa 8. 8-8. 4 minutes remaining the first quarter. Candaba na with the possession. From the corner, 3-point shot. They're trying that darn thing every time but they keep on failing. Eto na si Pamulagan. Niluwa ang kanyang tira. And Vinuya, last touch on that instant. MINALIN will get back that ball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Take a look at this replay. Ito yung layup. Ito yung last touch ni Vinuya. Lobo. Southpaw heave. Can't deliver. Candaba now with possession. Guevara. Sadi. Guevara, top of the key 3. Wala. So far, that's 5 misses already for Candaba from 3-point region. 14 to shoot. Ibay, momentarily open. Nice blow by, drive. The shot. And Pamulagan will take 2. Another foul given up by Candaba this time.
Pushing foul on number 24.
It's Rino's foul. Take a look at this.
Low by, drive.
Ayun, sumabit. Sumabit si Rino on that attempt by
And Pamulagan will
Pamulagan.
shoot another.
So far, Pamulagan. You know, Direk, if you're gonna close up Pamulagan, he looks like our floor director, Jetro. Take a look. Take a closer look of Pamulagan. Oh, parang kamukha niya halos si Jetro.
Substitution.
10-8. Minalin.
81 now, 25
3 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Binuya brings down the letter for Candaba. They have 13 to shoot. Binuya. Escape act, couldn't get it. Rino fall away. May foul.
Foul on number.
It's Lobos foul. First personal. First team foul for Minalin.
First team foul.
Two free throws now for Rino. Overtime, ang daming malaking mama na mabibilis. 6'5", 6'6", 6'7". From center, they're now beginning to be like forwards. Of course, yung ating Pampanga superstar natin, si Justin Baltasar. Although naglalaro ng sentro yan, pero sa gilas, he's a small forward.
25 in. 18 now.
And it's now a proud product of our beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And thank you so much, sir, for having this tournament here in BREN Convention Center. And here's Pamulagan, fouling drive to the basket. No soak. Bola, babalik sa Candaba. Eagle Eye referee there, Jong Banaya Jr. 10-9, Minalin. 2.5 remaining first quarter. Up. Teka muna. Meron tayong illegal pick.
Legal pick.
It's going to be against number 25. The big guy, number 25, was called with the offensive foul. First personal. And that will be the 14th foul for Candaba. Minalin possession. Lobo on the right wing. Lobo tumira ng 3. Ayaw. Rebound. Na-control ni Rino. Dala pass. Munting na magaw ni Pamulagan. The fadeaway. Wala. Last touch doon ng Candaba. At babalik ang bola sa Minalin. Approaching 2 minutes in the first quarter. 10-9. Closely fought ball game. Depensahan ang naging tema dito. That's Paquinto, number 33. Nakita nating last touch.
Timeout.
Alright, after this slow pace, Minalin scores for time. 10-9 is the count. 2:04 remaining in the first quarter. Let's see that some highlights of Minalin. Nakita nyo kanina yung scoop shot at yung jump shot ni Dumlao as we're about to start, or we're about to resume rather, 2 minutes and 4 timepiece starting first quarter. Milaneño first, all-star 10 points, and in Malugod Candaba 9. Ako po si Ryan Paro doing the call. This is already the third game of 6, and we're approaching the halfway point of our broadcast. Baseline jumper, wala. Ay, 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 ay. Muntik na matama ng ating production. Itong si Binuya at saka si Almosara. At sigurado nag-almusal na si Almosara dahil tanghali na. Sent to shoot now for Minalin. Cruz from the baseline. Wala. Almosara gets the inside track for the offensive rebound. Caparas launches short from three-point country. Wino takes care of that rebound. Fast break opportunity on the rise for Candaba. He throws it up. At meron tayong foul.
6, pushing foul.
It's a foul on number 6 of Minalin.
Penalty.
Quick opportunity.
Penalty na po
on
ang
the rise of
Minalin.
Candaba.
Or
He
hindi pa naman
throws it
penalty.
up.
It's an act of shooting foul. Number 6 ang tinawagan. That will be his first personal. That's Parungaw. Well, speaking of Parungaw, binabati ko yung aking kaibigan si Mac Parungaw. He's playing in the government agency there. Department of Foreign Affairs.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Samantala, out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa
Number
Minalin.
10 out. Substitution. 21 in. 33 out.
So palitan ng lineup dito ang magkabilang kuponan. So they want to husband their resources. Caraga, first time check in this ball game. Parungaw on the right wing. They have 10 to shoot. Parungaw lets it go from 3-point distance. Ayaw pa rin. 2 straight misses from 3-point distance. Ito si Parungaw. Ibarra siya nagdadala ng bola. Alam mo, ginagaya niya si Victor Wembanyama na malaki na siya nagdadala ng bola. Twice rookie there ni NBA. Samantala, palpal si Parungaw. 3 unproductive thrust for Parungaw. And Candaba's time to sue for time. And with just 52.8 seconds remaining in the first quarter, we have a ceasefire. Back to live action here. Dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Ryan, paro po lamang. This is already Game 3 of 6 para sa ating Delta Cup. Second day of competition. Live na live po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Makapigiling ng laro yung kaninang proceeded dito, kung saan nanalo po ang Mexico laban sa Apalit 85-81. Nice pump fake! Uy! Nakabingwit ng foul ang Minalin.
On number 11, pushing foul.
At si number 11 ng Candaba tinawagan ng foul. Take a look at this replay. Great timing on that offensive. Dalawa sumalubong. Ibarra was called for his first personal. Mintis ang unang free throw. Number 25 ng Minalin, who just checked in a couple of minutes ago. That's Almosara. He splits. 40 ticks to go. Minalin 11. Candaba 10. Spread out offense for Candaba. They're wearing in red jerseys. Makaagaw dito Minalin. Here's the fast break. Caraga! May foul. Binitbit ang bola pero sumalubong si Muldong.
Number 21.
This first personal on Muldong. Take a look at this.
Makaagaw dito Minalin. Here's the first.
This is like a joust in midair. Look at that. Losing bit of action in slow-mo. In the meantime, we have a lane violation against Candaba, so that will mean 2 free throws. Maga entered the lane too soon for Candaba. So 2 more free throws will be awarded for this guy who's shooting free throws, jersey number 1. Pasok ang unang free throw. Minalin 12, Candaba 10. 23 ticks remaining in the first quarter. Again, mayapat-gat panapong kayo mga kabalin. You're watching Delta Cup Live. Big break again for MINALIN. After that Garcia miss in the free throw line earlier. Garcia drives. Thought about the foul, but it was rejected. Reno, yank it away. Cruz. Wow, MINALIN is hustling and bustling with only 11 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Fade away, shot blocked. Garcia lost it. Vinuya on the fast lane, 3 seconds to go. Guevara, umangat. Palpal, 1 second to go, and that should do it. At tapos na po ang ating first quarter. MINALIN 12 points and Candaba 10. I think magpapakita tayo ng mga highlights of first quarter probably, Direk. But if not, we will just end this here in the first quarter. 12-10, MINALIN up by 2. Back to live action dito po sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. My name is Ryan Barrow doing the call. Game 3 of 6 of our Delta Cup 2023. Headed by no less than our beloved Pampanga Governor Dennis Delta Pineda as a failure in that possession for MINALIN. Balik ang bola sa Candaba. Vinuya siya nagtitimon. Pass to the left side, Guevara. Vinuya. On the box, Reno. Guevara receives it. 7 to shoot. Cross-court pass. 3 on the shot clock. The runner. It doesn't go. Reno spins, turns, wala. Guevara, third effort. It's there. Tabla tayo sa 12. 9:17 left. Second quarter action. Garcia momentarily open. Lumabas muna. The alley play did not materialize. Quick movement there by Bonifacio. Just check in the second quarter. And si Magat ang tinawagan ng kanyang pangalawang foul. Take a look at this. Off the rebound. Napakabilis ang pangyayari. At pangalawang foul na yan ni Magat. Again, you're watching the Delta Cup 2023. This is the Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. You can watch it live at the official Facebook page of Pampanga Public Information Office and to our Facebook and YouTube channel of Sinag Liga Asia. The drop, Guevara, 3-point play opportunity.
Basket counts.
Perfect play there, being displayed by Candaba.
12, pushing foul.
At foul ang tinawagan, number 12 ng MINALIN. Take a look at this instant replay. Give and go. Umangat si Guevara. Wala magawa doon si Bonifacio kundi mag-foul. However, the three-point play.
Pushing foul. Personal foul. Second team foul.
Hindi magandang balita ito para sa Candaba after that miss. Magat was fouled. That's his third personal foul. So that's an alarming development for Candaba. One player is already in foul trouble this early.
Same ball.
8:49 remaining in the balance sa ating second quarter of basketball action. Here's the drive. The drop. Bonifacio. Fakes. 5 to shoot.
5 seconds.
They need to put it up. It does not fall for Pamulaga. At may foul tayo.
Number 17.
At ang matatawagan ay si number 17 ng Minalin. His first
Team foul.
second team foul na yun ng Minalin. Hey, may yung assistant coach ng Pampanga Royce is here. I've seen him on the main entrance. Samantala, mintis doon ang Candaba. Fast break and it works for Minalin. 4-on-3 break. And he almost prevailed on that by Ibay.
On number 3. Good to the arms.
At si Binuya ang tinawagan ng foul. Unang foul pa lamang yan. Take a look at this fast break. Coast to coast, Ibay.
He almost prevailed on that.
He really wants to score at will in this ball game. At maraming palitan ng tao dito for both squads, giving them fresh legs and fresh lungs with 8:07 remaining in the second quarter. Alright, 2 free throws now for Ibay. So majority of the teams, they're not shooting well from the free throw line. Shooting 60%. It's a split for Ibay. 14-13. Paginto, still on the backcourt. Almost an interception. Guevara sticks it. Lamang na po ang Candaba ng 2 puntos. 7:50 left in the second quarter. Sangmit. Pamulagan, sidestep. Dahok. Ho-ho! Jackknife. A little jackknife there, The press is on for Minalin. Crushing the ball carrier. 15 to shoot. Here's the lob. The spin. Nowhere to go. It's gonna be traveling. Yun ang hinihintay ng lahat ng pagbanggit ko sa broadcast. Sabi nga ni Magumar John, matamis na 16. Pareho. Minalin ang Candaba. First deadlock of the ball game, actually. Submit from the baseline. Bonifacio drives against 3 defenders. The scoop shot didn't work. Marami tayong nakikita scoop shots ngayong araw na to. Even in the crucial situations kanina.
Now, on number 12.
Tinawagan ng foul.
Second personal foul.
Bonifacio. That's his second personal.
Team foul.
And that's a third team foul para sa Minalin All-Stars. Parehong 3 team fouls. Same boat with Candaba. Low post play. Up. Teka muna. May foul.
And a foul on number.
Si Pamulagan tinawagan. First personal at 14 foul na para kay Pamulagan. Take a look at this. Handshake.
17.
Ayun, huli. Hinawakan doon sa kamay. Handshake. Eagle-eyed referee there. 14 fouls already for Minalin. 3 for Candaba. The next foul for Minalin will put Candaba in the free throw line. Ayun na nga. Penalty na.
On number 12.
Bonifacio.
Substitution.
So he is the same boat as Bagat. Bonifacio for Minalin has 3 fouls. So katulad ito ng first 2 games na marami tayong mga players na pa-foul out. This is the same situation for Minalin and Candaba. 2 players, Bonifacio for Minalin and Magat for Candaba. Both had 3 personal fouls. Paginto makes the first para sa Candaba. They have a 1-point edge. Splits the charities. Ball goes back to Minalin. (16-17) now. 6 minutes and 45 sa ating second quarter. Libreng-libre. Ayaw. May pumasok ang tira ng Minalin. So far, very few made outside shots for Minalin. Most points coming from inside para sa Minalin. Paginto, tumira ng 3. Bitin. Patrick works for Minalin. Picks up speed ito si Sagmit. Stop dead in his tracks. Layog says, let's slow down. Nakababa sa depensa ang Candaba. Pamulagan right down the base. Nilabas muna. Dawaner, Sapal, Espesyal. Naihabol pa rin ni Segmit. 5 on the shot clock. Shot clock did not reset. They need to put it up. Dawaner by Layog. Short. It hit iron. The shot clock would reset.
Candaba ball.
Pero out of bounds.
Magat out. De La Peña in.
At si Magat. Pupo muna. And De La Peña checks back in for Candaba. Paginto brings it downtown. Paginto. The lob inside. Oh, gumamit ng banda.
Ay Parungaw.
That's Parungaw. So, dalawang Parungaw to, ha. May Parungaw sa Minalin at Parungaw din sa Candaba. 19-16. Approaching the halfway point of the second quarter. 5 minutes and 29. Baseline drive. Drops it up. Pamulagan, hang time. Yes, sir.
Number 10.
Paginto brings it downtown. Closely fought encounter. Low scoring first half. 3-point shot. Ayaw. Sabi ng point guard, huwag tayo magmamadali. Sagmit. Sagmit ng Pamulagan. 2-man game here. Manabat. Drills it.
2 points on number 20.
2019. The lead is 1 point. Nakakaw dito Minalin. They're smelling momentum and there's going to be instant foul given up by MUNICIPALITIES.
Timeout.
4:39 remaining. Minalin 20 at Candaba 19.
Ako dito Minalin. They're smelling momentum and there's going to be instant foul given up by MUNICIPALITIES.
Now to the main game.
4 minutes and 39 remaining. Of course, nakikita natin at the background yung mga officials ng ating Delta Cup. Of course, nandito pa rin in attendance ang ating tournament commissioner na si Coach Leo Isaac. Ang ating tournament chairman na si Rocky Chan ay pumunta na sa San Andres to supervise the games of Sinag Liga Asia. Samantala, back pass there for Minalin. 10 seconds on the shot clock. They only have a 1-point lead. Baseline drive. A drop to Pamulagan. Hang time move by Pamulagan. Naku. You know, this guy, apart from being a high leaper, he always manufactured that shots
First personal foul on number
as
21.
quickly and as abruptly as possible.
Substitution.
Number 5 ang tinawagan ng foul sa Candaba.
Number
Second, number 5. Okay, Parungal daw ang tinawagan. That's his first personal. Pamulagan will shoot 2 free throws. So both Pamulagan and Sagmit are playing pretty well for Minalin. But in the second half, I can only choose one. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Ano nangyari on that?
Baseline drive. A drop.
Look
to
at that.
Pamulagan.
Sagmit and Pamulagan connection, no? Grabe. Grabe yung chemistry itong dalawa. Sagmit now pressuring the ball carrier. De La Peña, banging bodies inside, right down the baseline. Malakas. Pamulagan, nung nakuha na dribble nung umiikot, na bitawan ng bola. And he apologizes to the coach for that error. But it's Manabat who incurred that error. Possession for Candaba. 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Sagmit almost had a piece of it. The running shot by Rino, wala. Great defensive stance there by Minalin. The lob pass. Naku! You know, this is the cardinal error of some youngsters. Kapag ikaw ay nakakuha na ng pasa, do not focus on the ring first. Focus on the ball. At pag nakuha mo na yung bola, then you can focus on the ring, on the iron, for the possible put-in. Rino lost his dribble completely. Great defensive stand by Minalin because of the quickness of 3 players. 21-19. 3:37 left. First semester basketball action. Right here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Sagmit from top of the key. Malabat on the right wing. Thought about the 3. Decides to drive. Malabat. Sapal ni Rino. That's the second shot block by Rino in this ball game.
Candaba ball.
Bola ngayon ng Candaba. Check that. Both teams in penalty situation in this 3:21 mark of the second quarter. De La Peña. Bounce pass. 13 to shoot. Sidestep there. The drop. Nabitawan ang bola. Naagawan na ng tuluyan ng Minalin. Sagmit on the right wing. Hindi sila magmamadali. They have a 2-point lead. Very methodical offense. Potential alley play did not materialize. Sagmit all day to shoot from 3-point distance. Airballs the shot. Comes to grief. Same goes with Candaba. We're seeing a helter-skelter second quarter basketball. Both teams incurring turnovers.
24 out. 11 in. Number 3 in.
Parungaw checks out.
17 out.
Manaba checks out. Ito na si Mr. Almosara. Nagbabalik para sa Minalin. 2 minutes and 42 remaining para sa Minalin. They want motion offense para sa white shirts. They swinging the ball from left to right. Now top of the key. Sagmit, the lob, Ibay. Gipit sa ilalim. Nagawa ni Rino. 2 steals and 2 blocks for Rino. Pretty good defensive performance for the big guy of Candaba. We're approaching the 2-minute warning of this first half. Baseline, the drop. Sapal, the smallest guy on the floor, but he gets it right back. Bucket there by Vinuya. Itong malit na mamang ito,
2 minutes to play.
Nakasapal para sa Minalin. That's a good shot block there by Layug. 10 to shoot now for Minalin. Sagmit, not to Layug on the right wing. Almosara corner pocket jumper. That's his favorite spot. That's baga yung sa kanta na dito ang sulok kong takda. Oh, look at that sapal by Ibay. And here's Pamulagan. Layog. Pamulagan. Sidestep. Almost a beauty. Oh! 2 players down on the floor. Counter fast break. Rino with a bounce pass. Guevara caught himself in too deep. Counter fast break. Minalin 3-on-1 break. Sagmit, the drop, Pamulagan, no. Almosara, no. Oh, look at that. How did he miss that shot? How did they forget to score the basket? Take a look at this replay. Ayaw. Ayaw pa rin. Boom.
Substitutions.
And Almosara was fouled and both teams now in penalty.
3 out.
A minute and 12 remaining.
Penalty situation.
So si De La Peña titira ng free throw. Again, like what I said in a couple of minutes ago, both teams in penalty situation. De La Peña, good form but a little short. Kulang sa lobo ang kanyang unang tira para sa Candaba. Miss both free throws. Last touch by Guevara.
Minalin ball.
Minalin gets right back the basketball with a minute and 10 remaining in the balance sa ating first semester. 23-21. Almosara wants to cut. Couldn't find it. Oh, malayo 3-point shot from 25. Back irons it. And here's Rino on the fast break. And here's Paginto. Lays it in. Tabla tayo sa 23, 43 ticks in the first half before both teams go at the locker room for a lemon time break. Lobo on the right wing. Almosara, quick release. Didn't get it. Match play. Kuha pa rin na MINALIN. Inside pass. Ibay can't succeed. Another heartbreaker for miss for MINALIN. And this time, he made sure that's Paginto. And they take the lead, 25-23. 13 ticks to go before we end this first half.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to go. 5 seconds. Hang time mo, wala. Vinuya, 1 second to go. Vinuya lets it fly. And that should do it. Ang ating score, mga kaibigan, is 25-23. Yan, 25-23 Candaba, up by 2 at halftime. It's a very close and a very low-scoring first half. Mostly defense and mostly fast breaks. At mamaya-maya matutuhayan natin ang ating mga halftime highlights and more updates for you. But first, we'll take a break. You're still watching the Delta Cup 2023.
Third quarter.
Alright mga kaibigan, we're about to start the third quarter action dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Lain para po lamang sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Delta Cup 2023. And of course, nagpapabati ang tropa Santa Clara Boys ng Santa Maria, Bulacan, si Lebron, si Ivan at si Tisoy watching right now live. Take a look at the first half highlights of our encounter featuring Candaba and Minalin as we see that last shot by Dunglao. Rino, the big guy, fall away. And on the other end of the floor, one-handed glass hit para kay Parungaw, para sa Candaba. And look at that slice and dice move. And a bucket there. That's a Manabat. Yan po ang ating mga halftime highlights for this encounter featuring Minalin and Candaba. In very short while, we're gonna give to you the graphics of our leading scorers for our palit. Ramulagan with 11, Almosara with 3. For Mexico, we have Guevara 11 and Paguindo 6. And of course, kailangan na much more production ito si Almosara. At inaayos lang ating mga scoreboard. Habang inaayos natin, of course, the Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2023 is presented to you by no less than Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. You can watch live at our official Facebook page of the Pampanga Public Information Office. And also, on the live coverage, you can watch it through our Facebook page and YouTube of Sinagliga Asia. Alright, third quarter is underway. Paginto, it is a traveling. And ayan. Okay. Balik tayo sa laro. Sagmit and Cruz quarterbacking for Minalin. Sagmit brings it downtown. Sagmit, top of the key. 9 to shoot. Crossover, almost lost. Gets it right back. The drop pass. Pamulagan, corner pocket. Yes. And Pamulagan now has 13 points. He's now the hottest scorer for Minalin. So half of the production, kanya. 3-point shot. Umalog palabas. Cruz snares the rebound from Minalin. Si Coach Alan Trindad watching from the sidelines. Nakagaw dito ang Candaba. Fast break opportunity. Guevara was fouled. Basket counts. Foul of Sagmit. That deserves a replay. That Guevara finish. Ayan, panoorin natin sa replay kung gaano. Oops. Usap pa natin direct. Pakita natin yung Guevara. Sagmit. Anyway, it's a 3-point play opportunity for Guevara. Yes. And the lead now is 3, 28 to 25. A minute gone by sa ating third chapter. Sagmit pointing to the left direction. Cruz, balik kay Sagmit. Can't swing to the right. Bola kanya pa rin. Going the ball up and down. 9 to shoot. There's some pick and pop. Cruz back to Sagmit. 4 to shoot. Sagmit, shot clock is a problem. Sagmit misses the gimme. Candaba on the counter fast break. Vinuya rims out on his layup. Atake si Sagmit. And a bucket counted. Gandang galaw yun. And Vinuya tinawagan ng kanyang pangalawang foul. Take a look at the street play. On the trail, it is a bucket. Great move, great play. And Manabat can complete a 3-point play opportunity for Minalin. Yes. Tabla tayo sa 28. That's our second deadlock. 8:13 left in the third quarter. Guevara thought about the 3. Nilapit. 20-footer. Yes. Calmly sinking that shot. 30-28 Candaba. Sagmit na titibon. The swing and around on the right wing. The spin, the turn. Malakas ang tira. Very evenly matched ito considering the fact that they are about 18-20 year old. Paginto cashes in a jumper from the corner at meron tayong timeout. Nakakaamoy na ang momentum ang Candaba. They're up by 4, 32-28 with 7:38 remaining. We have a moratorium.
What about the team nilapit 24er? Yes.
7 minutes and 38 remaining. 4-point edge for Candaba. 32-28. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, doing the call for our Delta Cup 2023 live at the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Uy, speak of BREN itong anak niyang si Coach Yang Yao ay maglalaro at sa coach. Oh, great passing play inside the paint. That's a bucket there by Pamulagan. 32-30. It is a steal by Pamulagan. And we have a foul on Rino. It's a second foul now on Rino. And the second team foul now for Candaba. 7:03 remaining in the third quarter. All right. Segment on the left wing para sa Minalin. Segment. They swing it around. Here's a bad pass there by Ibay.
Out of bounds. Candaba ball.
32-30. Kung sa mga nagtatanong yung Minalin actually is a town just right after San Simon dun sa NLEX. Yun yung Minalin. Sapal doon. The team Minalin going on a fast break. Submit. The drop. Hang time move. Oh, sobrang tira. Got a fast break for Candaba. 2-on-1 situation. De La Peña. Oh! Tough fall! It is a tough fall by Ranabat. That's like a falling to the third floor of the cliff.
There's a foul on number.
And he is grimacing in pain.
2-on-1 situation.
Look at this. Bam!
Second team foul.
Fall.
I am very, very concerned for this guy. And Manabat says, pahinga muna ako. He just nodded his head. And we have, of course, one of the guests was wearing in black cap and a black jersey, of course, starting sidelines. Thank you so much for watching, sir. The Honorable Mayor of Minalin, Philip Nagwit. Philip Nagwit is wearing in black, just right that on the baseline. Mamaya papakita natin yan at close up. At the meantime, back to the live action, De La Peña. Candaba now with a 2-point edge. Here's Paginto, lays it up and in. Great sneaking play by Paginto. 5:58 left, third period. Candaba 34, Minalin 30. Layug. Uy, medyo natumba yung isang player ng Candaba. Ibay from the baseline. Nasarhan ng pintuan. Nilabas muna kay Layug. 6 to shoot. Layug can't shoot. 2 on the shot clock. They need to put it up in time. Candaba gets the possession back. Guevara umangat. Sobra. Vinuya keeps it right back. Almost lost it. Layug steals it. Pamulagan drops it up. Ibay. Great play. Finding an open
Number 7.
Cruz. That's teammanship for you for Minalin. 34-32. Halfway point in the third quarter. 5 minutes remaining. Baseline jumper. Missing the 3. Ibay clamps down the rebound. Fast break opportunity for Minalin. 3-on-1 break. Pamulagan delivers. And we are tied again at 34. Third deadlock. At Candaba naman ang tatawag ng timeout to stop the momentum at 4:52. We are stalemate at 34. Take a look at this highlight to show you why. We'll be right back. Isa sa mga magagandang attraction sa mga Kapampangan ang ating mga magagandang dilag. Nagbibigay ng sayang ngiti sa ating mga kabalin. With 4 minutes and 52 remaining this third quarter, the score is tied at 34. This is our third stalemate of this ball game. Live para po lamang, live na live dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga, Game 3 of 6 of our second day of competition of Delta Cup 2023. Candaba versus Minalin. Barreling drive, Guevara, corner pocket shot, short, he gets it right back. No, Layog steals it. But Layog was called for traveling. Fresh 14 on the shot clock for Candaba. So in attendance right now, dito po sa Delta Cup, our tournament commissioner Leo Zak, and of course, the marketing head, Marco Visitacion. De La Peña, jump shot. It's there. Rino from 20. The lead is 2 for Candaba, 36-34. 4 minutes and 24 remaining sa ating third chapter. Layog may tangan. They swing it around on the right wing. Layog may tangan ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Looking for cutters. Wala mahana. Bounce pass between the legs. Nako, tinapon ng Ibay ang bola. Ang tawag doon tapon ang sabaw. Paginto. Kanang bahagi. Candaba lamang ng 2. Nagawan ng tuluyan. Layog brings it downtown for the white shirts. Pamulagan will not hesitate. Layog looking for better options. Pamulagan, long 2. Tungkab yan. 3:41 remaining. Candaba, fast break opportunity. At eto na si Rino. Sampal ni Ibay. Not in my house, he says.
17 seconds.
Return to sender. That deserves a replay. Take a look at this.
Ito na si Rino.
Huli ka.
Sampal ni Ibay. Candaba.
3-point shot on its way. That's short. And that's going to be a foul given up by Layog.
3. Illegal use of hands.
There's a 13 foul for Minalin.
Number 3. 13 foul.
First personal on Layog. At si Rino ay titiran ng 2 free throws. Swak ang una. 37-34. Some of the fans watching. At marami pang mga kababayan, mga kabalin natin na gusto pang makapasok. Marami po bakante dito sa BREN Convention Center. And we still have 3 more games to go. 2-4-2 for Rino. 39-34 is a 5-point edge for Candaba. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 24 sa ating third kanto. Layog may tangan na bola. Layog makes his move, goes left, drives hard. Nice drop up! Oh, he blew it. He blew it. Counter steal. Ball is letting loose. And Candaba now on a fast trail. And Vinuya
Substitution.
lost it completely in the baseline.
Number 81.
Tawag dyan, tapon ang sabaw. Minala has a chance to trim down the deficit of Candaba. They're still on a 5-point hole. Layog. Top of the key. Tumira ng 3. Bitin. Put back. Almusara. Failed. Got a fast break for Candaba. Rino busting out. Drives hard to the hole. Sapal special pero may contact upstairs.
28 at 7. Roger. Legal use of hands.
At si Donglao ang tinawagan ng foul.
Candaba, Rino,
It's a
busting
hacking
out.
foul. Look at that. Yun.
Foul to the hole.
Nahataw ng konti sa kamay. That's the first personal for Donglao and already the 14th foul for Minalin. And Rino masusubok sa free throw line. He's shooting 50% tonight. This time he made sure the first free throw. 40-34. 14 fouls na for Minalin. Dalawa pa lamang para sa Candaba. Marami tayong mga talagang trubok ang Pampanga superstars. At Augustine from Lubao, Japit Aguilar from Sasmuan, Arvin Santos from Minalin. No? Minalin yata si Arvin Santos yung nagkakamali. Archie Concepcion from Mexico, Justin Baltasar from Apalit and Mabalacan. Oh! Sapal Especial. 7 seconds on the shot clock. And this time, Rino with a hacking foul from the rear. Pangatlong foul na yan ni Rino. Take a look at this from the replay. Ayun, huli. Pero may contact sa katawan. So, dalawang free throws para kay Pamulagan. He has 14 points. He scored 11 in the first. This is only his third point in the second half. Make that 15 for Pamulagan.
Number 8 in 34 out. Number 6.
And they're still trailing by 5 points.
Number 3 out.
2 and 16 remaining in the third quarter. Guevara. He's now a markman. Nice drop pass. Oh, nice play.
Good for 2 on number 8.
Credit that assist to Guevara. The lead is 7 now for Candaba. Again, another turnover. A steal by Guevara. He's been all over the court, and Paginto will reward Guevara's heroics. Oh boy, Guevara has been a one-man wrecking crew in the second half. All of the productive numbers, he has it. Points, rebounds, assists, even steals, and even block shots. In the meantime,
So number 6.
Marungaw scored a basket for Minalin. Chops down the lead to 7, 38-45. Less than 2 minutes remaining, 1 minute and 25. Sapal ni Pamulagan. Nagawa na ng tuluyan ng Minalin. Marungaw back dribbles it. Goes left, drives hard, drops it off, lost it. Almusara, here's a thought about a 3. Bounce pass, Pamulagan, hang time, Sapal! And here's Paginto. Lays it up and in!
1 minute to play.
And Paginto's quickness has been rewarded him. Back-to-back baskets for Candaba in this third quarter. So Guevara and Paginto collaborating to this 9-point cushion
And to shoot.
by Candaba. 8 seconds na lamang sa shot clock para sa Minalin. Hindi sila manufacture ng basket. The drop. They need to put it up. Hindi tumama. Ball. He thought that it's already a game clock. But because this is just a shot clock, he traveled.
Sa right, Minalin.
Less than half a minute remaining, 28.6 seconds. Minalin basketball. Here's a 3-point shot from the left corner court. Wala. 22 ticks. Almost half a second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. There's an illegal pick. Offensive foul by De La Peña.
On number 5.
That's third personal on De La Peña.
Number
14 foul for Candaba.
Third personal foul.
10 seconds remaining. The manufacturer shot for MINALIN. There's a pick. Parungaw. 4 seconds to go. Bounce pass. Huli. Put back. Ayaw pa rin. And that should do it. Dominating third quarter performance by Candaba. 47-38. And of course, since MINALIN is one of the teams that are battling right now, we would like to acknowledge the presence, the Municipal Mayor of MINALIN, Honorable Philip Nagwit. Thank you so much, sir, for watching and supporting the MINALIN All-Stars. 47-38 is our third quarter score. We'll be right back for the payoff period of Delta Cup.
Paginto.
Salamat kay kayo sa ating venue announcer. Introducing the fourth quarter action. We will see some highlights of this game. Yung layup na nakita nyo kanina. Again, magandang hapon sa Kapampangan. Mayapat panapon kay kayo, mga kabalen. Afternoon basketball right now. Game 3 of 6 of our Delta Cup. My name is Ryan Paro doing the call, and we have a foul underneath.
Foul on number 8, blacking foul.
At si number 8 ang tinawagan ng foul ng Candaba. And that will be probably his first personal.
First personal foul.
Yes, it is. First team foul for Candaba. But of course, the Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2023 is presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. You can watch it live at the official Facebook page of Pampanga Public Information Office and also live on Facebook and YouTube of Sina Liga Asia. 9:43 remaining. Baseline pass rejected. So pwede pa makabol dito ang MINALIN with another foul given up by Candaba. And De La Peña is now on the brink of disqualification. He has 4 personal fouls.
Personal foul.
Kailangan niyang umupo. Second with the sweet play.
Rejected.
After the miss, De La Peña nudged that defender. Mag-apat na personal na yan ni De La Peña. 9.5 minutes remaining. 30 seconds gone by in this payoff period. Sagmit. He wants to mount a full-scale uprising with this layup. Beginning with it. At pito na lang ang inahabol ng MINALIN. 7-point edge. And that time, good defensive stance by MINALIN forcing a turnover. Ginawa na nila yan sa first quarter pero hindi nagtuloy-tuloy. No?
Liberando out. Rino in.
9:12 remaining in this fourth and final quarter. Rino checks back in for Candaba. Sakmit. Pick provided by Pamulangan. Matem Jeff combinations there by MINALIN. Sakmit and Pamulangan. 10 to shoot. Nice up fake. Side step. Nabitawan. He puts it up and in.
Number 17.
Boy, may konting tulak. Pero walang tawag ng referee. Play continues. He almost went for that faking a foul. Oh, offensive foul. Ang tinawagan kay number 8. And that's the second foul. And Candaba sues for time. And this is the last infraction with that offensive foul by Wences-Coso. Timeout. At yan ang mga ngiti ng ating mga kabalen nag-enjoy sa ating Delta Cup. This is day 2 competition live po sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Yours truly, Ryan Paulo, doing the call. We already finished the 2 games. Let me give you an update. First game won by Santa Ana over Masantol, 76-69. Second game, Mexico subduing Apalit to the tune of 85-81. Back to live action. Pamulagan lost it. Sabi ni Pamulagan, Rep, medyo madulas ang bola. Pero referee says no. The Red Shirts of Candaba will get back possession. Now the pressure is on from MINALIN to harass the ball carrier. Slow down tempo now for Candaba. Vinuya wasting away time. Now drives, and there's going to be a hacking foul by number 17. At yan ay si Garcia.
Second personal foul.
His second personal, and take a look at his replay. Ayun, hinataw. Huling-huli ng ating referee. Only the first team foul for MINALIN. Free throw time for this guy, Vinuya, who bangs it in the free throw, ha? Binanda. Alam mo, ginagawa yun ng mga Koreano, no? Pag mag-free throw sila, binabanda nila. And Vinuya 2 for 2 this time. All net on the second. The lead is back to 7 for Candaba, 49-42, 8 minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Here's the drive, finger roll, bitin. On a fast break, probably a touchdown. Paginto uses the gas perfectly. 4-point cushion there by Candaba. The lead is back to 9, 51-42. 7-4-7 remaining in this ballgame. Manaba thought about it, decides to drive. The runner no good. Rebound controlled by Candaba. Only one crack at a time for MINALIN this time around. Guevara sidestep. Oh, look at that pass! Sayang yun. Rain could easily stick that basket.
10 to shoot.
Guevara jumper from the corner. Yes, sir. He has been prolific all game long. (53-42). The lead is 11 for Candaba, 7:08 in this ballgame. Garcia, hang time move. Wow! Nagkape sa ere si Garcia. Another highlight here in the Delta Cup. Here's Vinuya. 9 to shoot. Goes left. Paginto for 3. Rims out. This is just a 9-point game. Here's the bounce. Down the base. Goes reverse. Yes! Counted a foul for Pamulagan. And British Coso, because Pamulagan playing heavy minutes,
Number 8, sir.
he
Personal foul.
just probably injured his knee due to cramps. And Pamulagan couldn't get up. Pero makikita mo sa kanyang mukha, ako gustong-gusto ko mag-free throw kahit na medyo nasasaktan ako.
Substitution.
Pero the referees won't allow him to shoot free throws anymore, and he will be replaced.
Sino ilalabas mo?
Garcia checks back in for MINALIN in place of Pamulagan, who's got injured after that last sequence. Take a look at what happened, ano? Pagka drive and draw, ito yung kanina, hang time move ni number 11.
Ito, papalit sa kanya. Ito. Siya may ito.
6 minutes and 32 remaining. You know, Pamulagan really trying his darn best to really at least score a free throw, pero hindi na niya kakayanin. He can he's now getting up. He can walk, but I don't think he can run because of that cramps. Garcia will, in place of Pamulagan, cannot complete the 3-point play opportunity. 7-point Candaba lead. And Candaba already on team foul trouble. 12 to shoot now for Candaba. Paginto, right down the base. Whoops a pass. Ball's loose, goes back to Minalin.
White ball.
The lead is 7. Hingi na bola ni Garcia. Oh!
There's a foul.
Parang may pader na bumangga. Knock hard in the face. Take a look at this. Boom! Submit was shell-shocked on that bone-crunching pick. And De La Peña fouls out of the game because of that. Or was he? Okay. Correction. Ang foul pala ay si BREN Sescoso. So, okay. Nakaligtas dun si De La Peña. So, okay lang si Submit. Just shook his head. And parang walang nangyari. He makes the free throw anyway. Bonus free throw na for Submit. The lead is just 6 points. Missed the second. A rebound. 2 players from the red shirts. And a turnover by De La Peña. He dribbles that ball to the end line.
Missed the
And he was
second.
caught with that baseline violation. Ayun, kita-kita din yung bola sa end line. Slow-mo replay. Fresh 14 now for the white shirts. There's a pick provided by Garcia. The drop outside, down the base. Sapal! A smothering shot block by BREN Sescoso. Look at the big smile of the face.
2.9 seconds to shoot.
Only 2.9 for Minalin to shoot. Here we go. Garcia lets it fly. Banks it out. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng white shirts. Garcia with fresh 14 on the shot clock. 8 to shoot now. Garcia on the right wing. It's going to be a traveling. Oh, it's going to be a technical foul on BREN Sescoso.
Unsportsmanlike behavior on number 8, setting a foul. Number 8, graduate.
And BREN Sescoso fouls out of the game. Kanina si BREN Sescoso may 4 fouls na no? Let's see that again in slow-mo. What happened? Ito yung sapal. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Roll mo lang yung rep. Hindi na natin nakita. So after nun, nagkaroon pa ng parang taunting. At nahulihan ng referee. The FIBA rules is not allowed. He was slapped at a technical and he paid the steep twice. He bows out of the game in exile. Manabat free throw. Got it. 5 na lang to. Ang hinahabol ng Minalin. At bola babalik sa Candaba. With 5:36 remaining in this ball game. And still anything can happen. An eternity of basketball ahead of us. Guevara drives. Submit. Caught by the refs with that push. Let's see that on the replay. Pagka-cross niya, ayun, tulak sa likod. Good call by the refs so far in this ball game. Templars tamed there. Nice drop pass inside the paint by Vinuya to the big guy, Rino. Push back the lead of Candaba to 7. And we are on the halfway house of the 4th and final quarter. Ibai's drop pass intercepted promptly by the red shirts. Pinuya will slow down the tempo for the red shirts. We have a 7-point edge. On the outside, he's a sniper from 3. And that's the cardinal error for Minalin. You cannot foul a 3-point shooter. And that's a foul against number 11 of Minalin. And that will be 3 free throws for the offended party. At bumalik na si Pamulagan. Mukhang okay na siya sa kanyang injury. And Paginto misses from the free throw line. We still have 2 more attempts. Let's see that again. Yun, hinabol. Again, good call by the refs.
Error for Minalin.
And Paginto muffed those 2 free throws. But couldn't extend the lead to 10. Instead, they have a 7-point edge. 1 for 3 for Paginto. It is 56-48. 4:50 left in the 14th final quarter. Sagmit escapes. Nope, no. Sabi na referee may foul. It's a foul on Guevara.
Penalty.
So
Second
Sagmit.
personal foul on number 11. Substitution. Number 17 now.
Diba free throws ang may award para kay Sagmit? This is just an 8-point game. Now 7. 49-56. Time remaining is 4 minutes and 47. 50-56. Slow down offense now for Candaba. 13 to shoot. There's a pick provided. Vinuya drops it up again. This time intercepted. Chance now for the White Shirts to come closer. Sagmit, hang time move. Didn't prevail. Rino snares the board. The Red Shirts now. Touch passing. Vinuya, hang time move. No soak. Vinuya gets it right back. No basket, says the ref. There's a foul before that.
Foul on number 3. Legal use of hand. Substitution.
Layog was called for a foul.
Second personal foul on number 3.
And now it's Ibai's turn to get cramped. Let's see that again.
Ibay out. Globally.
Vinuya gets it right back.
So they're checking situation for Ibay, and quickly the coaching staff of Minalin dispatched Lobo in place of him as Guevara short on that attempt. Vinuya, top of the key 3 failed. At binigay kay Coach Leo Isaac.
White ball.
This is just a 6-point game. Exactly 4 minutes left in this ball game. Sagmit with the cross. Bad pass. Sagmit also hurt. And now Vinuya will go for the cookie. The lead is back to 8 for Candaba. And Minalin is not going to take chance. They need a timeout because some of the players are now aching in pain. As we move this timeout after this brilliant layup by Vinuya. Walang putos po ang abante ng Candaba, 58-50. 3 minutes and 49 left in this ball game. Lain para po lamang sa papatuloy ng Delta Cup. Here at the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga, we gonna have another turnover for Minalin. It's a driving violation spotted by the refs against Parungao. That will not help the cause. Still ample time to come back, but they need to stop the scoring of Candaba now, if Minalin wants to come back in this timepiece. Hang time move by Guevara. Not much angle on that layup, but that's a barreling drive by gliding drive by Guevara. 3.5 minutes. If Candaba can hold on to this. 13 to shoot. Smothering block by Binuya.
15 out. Number 3 in. 10 seconds.
They only have 10 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound from the baseline. Cruz momentarily open. 3-point shot. Back irons it. Approaching 3 minutes remaining. Hindi magmamadali dito ang Candaba. Ubos oras sila.
3 minutes to play.
3-point shot from top of the key. What a time to explode for Rino. It is now a double-digit spread to 11, 61 to 50. Pamulagan.
And a foul on number 15. Hatchet foul. Number 15.
So foul dito si number 15 ng Candaba.
First personal foul.
Unang foul pa lamang yan. And Pamulagan will shoot 2 free throws from the foul line. That is a consolation prize. Well, if Candaba can move on and cruise this victory to the next 2 in 42 minutes, it's very easy for me to judge who's the best player. This guy is really the catalyst for Candaba. Guevara, this guy, he can do it all. 2:37 remaining.
5 to shoot.
2.5 minutes. Rino for 3. Air ball. It is a shot clock violation.
24 seconds. Shot clock violation. Substitution. 15 out. 33 in.
Two and 25 remaining. And it seems like unless Minalin can make those baskets, Candaba closing onto the video. Great block by Binuya. 3-point shot. Short. And Candaba is on cruise control as he moves to the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes of this basketball game, and Guevara can smell victory for Candaba. He's been a do-it-all player. Guevara. Turnover. Fast break for Pamulagan. No. Cruz tips it in. The lead is just 8. Maninigurado nito ang Candaba. They're up by 8, 61-53. With 1:43 remaining in the ball game. Hey, back to live action. Hey, binabati ko lang ang aking kasama sa broadcasting, Jonas Reyes, watching. Oy, maraming salamat, Jonas Reyes. Hopefully, magsama tayo very soon sa mga future broadcast natin, ha? And of course, binabati ko rin ang aking mga mentor sa broadcasting, Seb Sarmenta and Noel Zarate. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I've been doing this for almost 5 years now. Last ditch stand for Minalin. Yes! Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Lobo drills a 3-pointer. This is just a 5-point game. And that will backfire Candaba because they don't have any more timeouts.
Third personal foul on number 3.
Medyo nag-relax dito ang Candaba. Mag-iingat sila. Let's see that again. 3-point shot by Lobo. And on swing play. It is an offensive foul. Hindi na natin may papakita yan. This is just a 5-point game. Parungaw. Got it! Back-to-back threes by Minalin. 61 to 59.
And there's a foul on number 3.
There's a foul on Layog.
There's a foul on number 3. Penalty.
Both teams now in penalty.
Penalty situation.
Remember yung kay T-Mac? 13 points. Ito, 2-3. Dikit na dikit. And now, Binuya will be tested in the free throw line. It's just a 2-point game. Back irons it. At nabuhay ang crowd ng Minalin. It's a 3-point game. 62-59. A minute and 21 remaining. Another close encounter. Thanks to those 2 3-pointers hit at late for Minalin. Lobo is one of them. He drives hard to the hole. No. Candaba takes care of it. Pitch to Paginto. Paginto. Touchdown. 64-59. A minute remaining. Layog. Parunga from the base. Outside to Lobo. Titira na naman. Defensive rebound. Hang time by Lobo. Yes, sir!
Basket down. There's a foul on number
Basket counted.
29.
But the foul will be up against Lobo. Ayun, may tulak si Lobo. Pero counted yon. Yes. So the lead is down to 3. And since both teams in penalty, titira ng free throw ang Candaba. Because that is a foul after the made attempt. Ayan, kiniklaro na ating referee. Ganun kasi sa FIBA rules di ba? Pagka pumasok yung tira, kasi ikaw ang tinawagan ng foul, it will be free throw sa kabila.
Bola ng Candaba.
Ayan, bola na Candaba. That's correct. It's a foul on Layog, foul on Lobo. That's his second personal foul. And since both teams in penalty,
Penalty tayo. Penalty.
dalawang free throws yan, mga kaibigan. Now, if in case Minalin muff those free throws, this is just a one-possession game. This is exactly what happened in the previous game a couple of hours ago. Just when you thought that Candaba already the game is in the bag, Minalin suddenly with an 8-point outburst. O 8-2 outburst. Ayan, inililihan na ng referee na
Number 11.
okay. Yan, inilinaw na ating lead referee na si Jong Banayan Jr. Now, since this is a foul after the basket, so be free throws para sa guy na ito, number 11. Guevara misses the free throw. He welt under pressure. 41.9. Short. It's going to be a foul. It's a foul on Rino. Pang-apat na ni Rino. So free throws time. Tawid tayo sa kabila. Hindi umaandar ang oras. 41 seconds remaining. A chance for Cruz to trim down this lead to 1 if he makes both. No. Still a 3-point game for Candaba. 64-61. Minalin has one more timeout. Candaba has no more. It is a split. 64-62. 41 seconds. Nagpe-press dito ang Minalin. At tinapo nila ang bola. Tapo ng sabaw. And Minalin will use his time, and we're not gonna take over. We're gonna hang on to the air and explain to you that should Minalin score the basket, magkakaroon pa ng mga ilang segundo ang Candaba. Take a look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. 3-point basket earlier by Rino. And in swing play, nice up fake. And Paginto scored the basket. Those are the last 5 points actually by Candaba. After that, it's all Minalin. But the primary reason why Candaba has this lead by as much as 12 earlier is Guevara. But for Minalin, a lot of surprise players. But the catalyst for Minalin is this guy, Pamulangan. Despite having injured, he really inspired the other players to step up in his place. 36.5 seconds. 14 on the shot clock for Minalin. 10 to shoot. Thought about the three. Lobo, who has the hot hand. From the corner. Cross to Lobo, the three. 25 seconds, turnover. It's a turnover. It's a turnover. What a time for Cruz to hit those threes. 9 points by Minalin from 3-point region. We're going to review. We're going to review the last out-of-bounds play. Let's review. Okay, our technical team headed by Direk Aldin Alejo will review the last out-of-bounds play, and that is where the referees will take a call. Take a look at this.
The three, Lobo, who has the hot hand.
Okay.
From the corner.
After the 3-point shot, roll it direct. Tuloy mo lang. Tuloy mo lang direct. Tuloy mo lang. Tuloy, tuloy.
25.
Can we review the out of bounds? Can we review the out of bounds direct? Yung after ng 3-point shot, yung out of bounds play, kailangan natin makita for our referees. They will decide who will get the inbound. Okay, naghihintay tayo. Ayan na, ito na. Here's the replay.
Thought about the three, Lobo, who has the hot hand.
Hindi, yung...
From the...
Okay. Yung out of bounds direct, yung out of bounds, after ng 3-point shot na yan, pwede pa ba natin i-ano yan? Sige, ituloy mo lang. Ay, hindi ba kaya? Anyway.
To shoot.
Okay. Okay, meron pa tayo isang angle. Direct, ituloy mo lang ha. Do not stop on that tape. Okay? Okay, after the 3-point shot direct, ituloy mo lang. Tuloy mo lang direct. Roll it. Roll it. Sige, tuloy. Roll it. Yan, roll it. Roll it direct. Okay. And the referees will decide from that last out-of-bounds play who will get the last possession. It will be Minalin. Minalin will get the last call. Ayan. Yan po ang benefit ng ating instant replay system. Crucial calls like this, the referee can decide vehemently who has the last possession. Alright, 65 to 64. 24.6 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 1 point lead for Minalin. Layog. They swing it around. 5 on the shot clock. Layog. Nabitawan na bola. Pamulangan the drop. Turnover. 10 seconds. Candaba can go for the win. The pass. Layog. Guevara. 1 second to go. There's a foul. No, there's an out-of-bounds play. It's an out-of-bounds play. It's an out-of-bounds play. Guevara stepped His foot on the line. And he's hurt. Half a second left. If Bill Velasco is watching, you can hear Sir Bill yung same atmosphere. I remember 1999, Roel Bravo, ganito katindi sigaw dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Half a second left. No more timeouts for both squads. All they need is the good inbound. And MINALIN can smell victory here. Take a look at this last bit of action. Yes, it is a stepping violation. It is very, very clear. Clear as daylight. Ika nga. So MINALIN, all they need is a good inbound. Avoid fouling from away from the ball. Kaya hinahawi na ng referees. Wala tayong masyadong balyahan. Remember, wala na pong timeouts ang bawat kupunan. Pareho na po sa penalty, 65-64. MINALIN will inbound. Here's the lob! It's over! It's over! Game is over! MINALIN complete an upset of colossal proportions. Wow! Points down, they win by 1. MINALIN put up a major miracle. Final score 65 MINALIN, 64 Candaba. Dalawang sunod na laro fought in a nail-biter contest. And in just a moment mga kaibigan, hinga muna ako ng malalim. We will interview our best player of the ball game. Fantastic ball game here in the Delta Cup. And shortly interview natin ang nag-inspire sa MINALIN comeback. Walang iba si Pamulaga. Mamaya-maya yan in just a short while, but then let's savor this. Final score 65-64. MINALIN with an upset of colossal proportions. Stay tuned for the interview. Makapigil hiningang victory ng MINALIN 65-64. Kenneth Pamulaga ng best player of the ball game. Noong na-injure ka on the last 3 minutes of the fourth quarter, doon nakabalik ang MINALIN. Paano mo minotivate ang teammates mo na makabalik with those 3 big 3-point shots?
Ako lang po, sinabihan na wag maging ano yun?
Kaya mo yan.
Wala mga pa, may oras pa, kaya pa.
Moving forward, alam natin maraming shooters pero ikaw yung talagang nag-inspire sa rebounding, sa defensa. Ano pa ang mga facets of the game ng MINALIN na kailangan mag-improve para mas maging better as a cohesive unit?
Na-shot. Siguro ba, basta ano yung namin sa susunod na laban. Ito lang.
Alright, Kenneth, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, naiyan ang camera, pwede ka na bumate.
Binabati ko mga pamilya ko sa Flood. Tsaka sa GF ko na nanonood. Sa mga pisang ko.
Salamat kayo. Congratulations, Kenneth Pamulaga, best player of the ball game. 3 games down, 3 to go. Delta Cup continues after this short break.